US Cellular eSIM 5G Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people don't realize how much faster and easier mobile activation has become. And that's where US Cellular eSIM 5G steps in. US Cellular eSIM allows you to activate a mobile plan digitally without a physical SIM card. You can download the profile, scan a QR code, and connect instantly. Here's what most people get wrong. They think eSIM is complicated. It actually simplifies switching carriers and adding new lines. US Cellular supports 5G connectivity, which offers faster speeds and lower latency in supported areas. eSIM is especially useful for travelers, people with dual SIM phones, and those who want a quick setup without visiting a store. However, the surprising truth is that eSIM compatibility depends on your phone model. US Cellular eSIM is best for users who want fast setup and modern mobile features. The surprising truth is that digital activation saves time and reduces hassle. US Cellular eSIM delivers that convenience. If you want quick, cable-free mobile activation, US Cellular eSIM is worth considering. Subscribe to the channel for more mobile tech reviews and travel connectivity tips.